Need a little kick in the tail to get up and start knocking out those home improvement projects that have stacked up over the years? Well, consider it done. Here's some fresh motivation for this week's Fix It Up tips. First, before you get started with the projects, declutter your home. This is the best thing that you can do. Seriously, every weekend or even if it's every 6 months, just do it. Number 2, focus on the living room, kitchen, and bedrooms in that order. If you're short on time or finances, zero in on these rooms since it's where you spend the most time. Number 3, prioritize projects that hinder your day-to-day function. Those sticky doors, cracked windows, dead outlets, and even leaky faucets. And please, call in the pros when anything is beyond your skill set. Lastly, bring in some fresh mulch, trim those hedges, and add some annual color for each season to add a new pop of freshness to the exterior of your home. Now, getting your home looking its best doesn't have to be costly or complicated. Break it down into small weekend projects, and soon enough, you'll be on to bigger and better endeavors. Tackling home improvements to get your home ready to sell may be a different list of projects to prioritize. Send me a message. I'd love to help. Hope to talk to you soon on any project questions you have or contractors you need assistance with.